Hi, it's Randy here. Well, our discussion today is how a battery works, and specifically we're referring to lead-acid batteries. Well, every lead-acid battery in the battery case itself contains 3 or 6 individual compartments within that battery case, depending on whether the battery is 6 or 12 volt. So within each individual compartment contains a series of positive and negative plates. Now these positive and negative plates are a lead grid of different shapes and sizes depending on the manufacturer and the type of battery, and that will have an active material pasted into that grid. And the type of active material that's pasted in that grid will depend on whether the battery is a starting battery, whether it's a deep cycle or a traction battery, whether it's a calcium maintenance free. So every manufacturer has a little bit different recipe. And in those series of positive and negative plates, for an engine starting battery as an example, we're going to find that typically there is more plates in that cell group than in a deep cycle battery. The reason that there's more plates is because typically they're thinner and we'll have more surface area, which results in a higher cold cranking amp or a higher initial burst of power. So likewise, in a deep cycle battery or traction battery, if we were to look at the plates in that, we're going to find that the plates are actually thicker in that battery. Thicker plates equals higher reserve capacity and more cycles. And the reason for this is every time we discharge and recharge a battery, we refer to that as a cycle, and we're essentially going to shed a microscopic amount of active material off that plate, or we're going to wear that plate out a little bit. Just like, as we drive down the road with a tire, we're going to wear it out a little bit. So thicker plates equals more reserve capacity and higher cycle life typically. Starting batteries typically have more plates, thinner and higher cold cranking amp or initial burst of power. And within those cells, to activate all that and to provide the catalyst is a mixture of electrolyte, which is roughly about 33 to 35% sulfuric acid. And that's what provides the catalyst and generates the cold cranking amp or the reserve capacity within the battery. And again, we have different types. We have flooded batteries, which is our common standard type. We have AGM or absorbed glass mat, and we have gel types. So all of those are electrolyte, just different ways of storing or mobilizing the electrolyte. So for more information on how a battery works and everything batteries, visit us at cdnrg.com.